This video covers questions 31 through 34, and it utilizes a combination of the different exponent rules. So we're kind of bringing them all together. So the first thing we're going to do is distribute that power of -2 to each number. Remember that our whole numbers have exponents of 1. So that's going to be 3 to the -2nd, x to the 5 times -2 is -10, y to the -16th, 18 to the power of -2, x to the power of -6, and y to the power of -20. So remember, we're multiplying this. We're going to switch the position of anything with a negative exponent. So now we have basically everything that's on the bottom is going to go to the top, and everything that's on the top is going to go to the bottom. Now we can simplify this further because now we see we have x's on the top and the bottom. Remember, we subtract their exponents and keep it where the larger number was. We're also going to go ahead and multiply out 18 to the power 2 and 3 squared. 18 to the power 2 is 324. Over 3 squared is 9. For x's, we're going to do 10 minus 6 is 4. Keep the x where the bigger x was. For y, 20 minus 16 is 4. Keep it where the bigger y was. We can simplify this a little bit further because 324 divided by 9 is 36. So we end up with 36 y to the 4th over x to the 4th. We're going to distribute that -2 again. So we're going to have 2 to the power of -2, 8a to the power of 5 times -2 is -10, b to the power of 6 times -2 is -12, and c to the power of 0 times -2 is 0. Anything to the power of 0 cancels out, so this is gone. You cancel 1. And then all of this is negative, so we're going to have to put it in a fraction and move it all down. 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and then everything else gets moved down and made a positive. X to the 5th over x to the 5th, that cancels out. 5 minus 5 is 0, and anything to the power of 0 is 1. And we're left with y to the 9th over y to the 22nd. So we're going to take 22 minus 9 and leave it where the bigger number is. So we're going to have nothing left on top. And then we're going to have y to the power of 13 on the bottom. And that is your final answer there. And last question on the mixed combination rules. Again, we're going to distribute that power of 5 to everything. So that's c to the power of 15th. Remember, we're multiplying. D to the power of 25th over d to the 50th. And we can combine our d to the 25th over d to the 50th by taking 50 minus 25 is 25. Keep the variable where the bigger number was, so it's going to stay on the bottom.